So I will be starting with the rightmost corner of my desk, and the first thing I have there is my scissor holder, or you can say my scissor stand. The first scissor is this black giant one, and then a little smaller than that, and the smallest one. Also, I have kept my paper cutter in it, and on the right side of the scissor stand, I have kept my pattern scissors. First is this pink and blue one, and then this orange and green one. Then the best part about this DIY scissor holder is that I can keep it in two ways. So the theme of my desk is heart and donut. So yeah, this is the heart and the donut. It is really pretty. I can even keep it like that. Both the designs are viewable and yeah, they're super cute. Then, if we come to a little left, there's my desk organizer in which I've kept all of my basic, important, and random stuff. So, we'll be starting off with the drawers. With the right drawer, in the right drawer, I have kept my basic erasers and sharpeners. So first is this yellow one, and it's an eraser which is basically a combination of eraser and sharpener, and that's amazing. Okay, then I have my basic pink eraser in a case, and lastly I have this blue sharpener, basic blue sharpener. That's all what I have in this drawer. Then coming to the left drawer, I have kept my sticky notes. First of all, so I have three kinds of sticky notes here. Firstly, this thin one, it's having different colors. Then these thick neon yellow and pink one. And then lastly, in this drawer, I have kept my lead for mechanical pencils, the thick one and the thin one. That's all what I have in this drawer too. Then we will be coming to the bigger compartment up there. So it doesn't open from the front, but it opens from the top. There's like a lid kind of thing. You can already see my Fevicol popping out of it. And yeah, we'll be starting off call. And let's start with the Fevicol only. And yeah, this is the giant Fevicol that was popping out the lid of the desk organizer, and the miniature one. So cute, right? Giant and small. Then I have my stapler as well as my stapler pins. Both are from Kangaroo. Okay, what a coincidence. Kangaroo. Both the things are from Kangaroo. And lastly, in this giant compartment, I have kept my punching machine. And one more coincidence, my stapler as well as the punching machine are both in green color. Wow, that's amazing. Okay, that's all what I have. Let's keep it all inside. Like poop, and you're done. So you can also see something on side of the desk organizer. Let's see what it is. And voila! So it is my miniature diary in which I write out my ideas for videos, or also I've written my channel name right here, or just anything. I just write out in here. It's like a sudden diary. Then coming on a little more left, you'll see this glass container, or you can say glass jar. So in this, I have kept all of my fancy pens, which gives a good look to my desk, as well as they are obviously useful cause they're pens. So yeah, starting from this unicorn lava lamp pen, this is a pen which I've seen with most of the people. Like, this is really common, right? Okay, then this R letter pen which says Ria, my name. It's a DIY. Then coming up to the steady one, again a DIY, and this phone one. So here I tried to show you how this works. Like, it can hold your phone, but it was not coming in the frame, and I did not even noticed. I'm sorry. And golden feathery pen which is matching my scrunchie, and lastly this minion googly eye pen. So cute. Okay, then coming to a little more left, guys, there's my basic pen stand. And as I told you, the theme of my desk is donut as well as hearts. So this is a donut pen stand. And the fun fact, if you turn this around, so the cream of the donut would change. it's red right now. Now I'm gonna turn it and it will become pink. So cute, right? So in this I have my basic studying things like pens and markers. So first of all, these really pretty pastel, or you can say rainbowish pens, so cute. I use them for studying. Then this polka dot one, Trimax. I don't know what's this marker doing here, but yeah, my scale, my pencil, and my mechanical pencil, and also my quilling tool, and that's all what I have. So cute. So that's the second last thing. Let us see the last thing on my desk, which is this. So this is my calendar, but first I'll show you this really cute candle which I have made out of an old acrylic paint bottle. And this is a really cute pink and blue candle. It looks so pretty at night and I really like it. Then I have my calendar, which is again a DIY. So right here I have January to June, and if you flip it over you'll be able to see July to December. Both are really cute, right? So yeah, that is what I have on my desk. Now everything on my desk, like this, everything mostly was DIYs. And if we come a little over, this is a part of my desk too, which is my very pretty, very amazing. It's like very pretty, as well as it is used to put motivational quotes on. It's perfect for your desk, right? So these are the things that I have, and my funny picture which makes me laugh every time, so I've kept it right here so that I can look at it and laugh. And yeah, also my to-do list for today, it also says shoot desk tour, which I'm doing currently. And yeah, that's all what I have on my, it's like a vision board kind of, and I really like it. So guys, this is it for today's video. I hope you liked my desk. If you did, so definitely tell me in the comments. And yeah, do like, share and subscribe to my channel below. Keep watching My Life is Ria, #ReFM. Bye.